What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to change the orientation or to rotate a video in Premiere Pro from landscape to portrait or vice versa. So here I have Premiere Pro opened and I have a video clip. It's in portrait mode as you can see, or the long video format, but as you can see it should be in landscape. The view isn't right. The first thing I can think of is to rotate the video clip that I have here on my timeline. So if I click on the clip and go to the effects controls panel and try to rotate, you'll find that the clip itself will rotate, but the sequence or the main frame stays as it is. What we need to do here is to change the sequence settings, the sequence that has the clip. So make sure I have this sequence selected that has the clip, and then go here to sequence and choose sequence settings, the very first option here. Once I choose so, it'll give me the settings for the sequence, and I can see that the format is 9:16. We want to flip it, we want to make it 16:9. So simply we want to swap the values for the frame size, the horizontal and the vertical. So instead of 720 by 1280, let's make it 1280 by 720. Hit OK or hit enter, then hit OK. As you can see, now my video or my sequence is in landscape, but my clip, my main clip, is still in portrait. To fix it, simply select the clip, go to the effect controls panel, and in the rotation value make it -90 degree so that it rotates anti or counterclockwise. And using the same technique, you can also change landscape videos into portrait.